So the Raw and the Cooked is about bringing the work we've been doing in the lab out to a public space and to talk to people about it and let them have a go at experiencing it themselves.
I hope it brings the students together, so it creates a sense of cohort, a bonding, and also projects the Media Arts Technology Centre out into the wider public and brings people into this space to understand how they can make new kinds of interactive experiences and how they might play with sound in different ways.
The most exciting music technology has got to be live coding, because we can express music symbolically.
I think there's a lot of sort of software programs which are allowing people to kind of get under the hood of the technology.
We're getting to a situation where you can have such a nuanced, detailed control of what the instrument is doing.
This way of working just really inspires people to try out more things.
My intention is to explore new music with an audience.
The other thing that's come from the DIY community is there are now thousands of people with skills to make things, skills to design things. There are a lot of people who are going to come out of this scene and go on to do other things.
The knowledge is out there, the components are out there. It's quite a small leap to go from wanting to do it and being able to do it.
I mean, if 2 or 3 or 4 people leave and start to unpick it and unravel the ideas further, then I think that's a success.
Coming here was like an amazing amalgamation of all the things that I want to do and I'm interested in.
I think the future of music technology relies on thinking about how you interact with sound, empowering people to be more interactive through the sound and more sociable.